Merry Christmas! The longest Christmas celebration in the world officially begins today as we now start to hear songs that will fill the air with Christmas cheer.
So last year I came here but it was not open, but today it's open.
If you're new to my channel, please don't forget to hit that subscribe button, like, and share this video with more people to get those Christmas vibes. With that, I'm taking you on a farewell tour at Dr. Rico Absin's Christmas house. For the past 2 decades, from late November to early January of the next year, Dr. Rico Absin, with the purest intention to make people feel the Christmas spirit and leave his house happy, opens the doors of his private Spanish-style mansion to the public. The entire house is illuminated by thousands of glitter Christmas bulbs, both big and small, radiating love, light, and positivity.
Oh please.
Apart from all the various Christmas decorations, a lot of his antique collections are here. All of these he accumulated over the years. They ask for a little amount as an entrance fee, and its proceeds will go to the annual holiday party he throws for the less fortunate children.
Ay, na di makasod. Yang ano sa man iya?
Wala. Wala hindi pasukan. Wala sila.
Okay.
Wala hindi pasukan. Pero hindi siya wala.
Mo ilisod diri sa Dumaguete no kay kanang ifingani wala jud may ruta nga jeep yan nga tuyok ra or kanang
Wala. May ruta.
depende rag mo musugot ang driver per day.
Wala. Pero hindi yung tayo. Pero sa awan na. Hindi pa pa bayang mato ng alkansi. Ito siya.
Mas mausad. Hindi ko sure sa jud na.
Pasapot na po na ito.
Mausad.
Ano ito? Alam yun na siya. Lamang po mayong buhatag na pwede ni Mayo.
Abi na ko naaray mga 9 numero ang kanang pedicab para sa kanina nga area.
Kini ilo puti na Robin na siya sinasara.
Na color coding dahil. Di mo ang tinig wala ani.
Robin na ko ha.
Puti ang atop.
Nakakinig mo pero ba?
Ang uban dahil
Amay, mga green, may pula.
unsa man ang green. Nara siya area nga gikuha na na. Hasta ang red. So kani mo green, white ni.
Bisa kerasa na eh.
Okay.
Rawat mo siya.
Libre ra.
Kanang nakapasangil na. Malibot ka po na sila. Pagkalisod-lisod.
So dili just la exclusive. Pwede rag hapon na sila muli kawas.
Pwede pa sila pumaliban eh. Ari pa extend na mo. Parahon na sila nilang alang ra.
Depende na nila kung masugot sila or dili. Okay. So dapat mo hatag jud kag dako.
Okay.
Dako yun.
Pagdali ka, siguro yun ka. Ay na, pwede mo makaton. Pwede, mahilong sila.
Sad.
Mahilong sila. Ano yan mo?
Mao jud ya.
Don't forget to subscribe. I'll see you on the next one. Advance Merry Christmas!